Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cookwithrayo. In today's video, we are going to be making delicious air fryer grilled barbecue chicken. Guys, this is so delicious. Yes, it is super easy to make, doesn't consume time, so stay tuned while we dive into the video. For my recipe, I'm using some chicken thigh, spices, lemon juice, barbecue sauce, so check the description box for the spices details. So in a clean bowl, I'm going to be adding my chicken thighs. Of course, you should cut it, okay? So you're just gonna slice some parts so the marinade can go into it. The next thing, I'm gonna be adding my spices, my lemon juice, and some barbecue sauce. And now to my favorite part, we're just going to be mixing all this. We are going to make sure we coat everything inside, okay? You want to mix it well, yeah. You want to mix it, massage it into it. Make sure it gets all the spices. So you're just gonna marinate this, and then we are going to leave it in the fridge for 2 hours or more. You can leave it for the whole night. You can leave it for 24 hours. You can leave it for 1 week in the fridge and 3 months in the freezer. So guys, I left it to marinate for 24 hours. Yes, I left it to marinate for 24 hours. So the next thing, we are going to be going to the frying part. So just gonna rub some olive oil into the parchment paper. It's not a must, you can use butter, but I just like to rub something so it will not stick to it. So I'm just gonna place it into the air fryer basket, and then I'm going to be adding my chicken. And if you want to add your chicken, make sure that first of all you are putting the skin side downwards, okay? So here is a secret. If you mix your barbecue sauce and olive oil together, it's gonna give your chicken extra flavor, okay? So if you don't like olive oil, it's totally optional. So I'm just going to be rubbing some more into the chicken, and then I'm going to be grilling this for 15 minutes. Also make sure that you are putting the skin downwards. So this is what it's looking like after 15 minutes. So now we are going to be turning it to the other side, and then we are going to be adding some more barbecue sauce, and then we are going to let it grill for another 15 minutes. So yes guys, it is ready, and see how gorgeous that is looking. Let me serve it. So guys, our air fryer chicken barbecue thigh is ready to serve. Guys, you need to try this recipe. Honestly, if you haven't tried any recipe on my channel, try this out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. So I made some Irish potato using the same marinade, so and I served it with it. It was so delicious as well, in case you don't know what you want to serve it with. So, and that's how it's looking. Guys, see you in another video. Until then, be healthy, be safe, be happy. Love you, bye.